What's up, online shoppers? I just got a brand new package of this awesome Active Enzyme Boost for laundry. Now, the company gifted this to me, but I was already a fan of it and I was already using it. This is one of my favorite secret weapons for keeping all the stains off my laundry. I actually haven't found a stain that this won't take out. It works on food, it works on drinks. You know how sometimes like oily food, it really is a stubborn stain to get out of clothing? Well, I spilled spaghetti sauce on this nice bright yellow shirt. It got it out like that, and it didn't harm the fabric at all, which I was so excited about. It will take out grass, dirt, it takes out blood, sweat, perspiration. You know when like you get a buildup in your armpits from deodorant? Well, this, it takes it out. And I also am the mom of 2 boys and I've got a husband. And those guys, they sweat and that sweat just like sticks to their clothes. This gets it out and I love it. That's why, even though the company asked me to do this review, I was so happy to do it because I love this stuff. Something else I use this on, I'm a teacher and I'm always marking papers and I can't tell you how many shirts I've ruined because I got pen on them. Well, this takes out ink as well. I can't even hide how excited I am about a laundry detergent booster. Now, this isn't soap. You actually put it in addition to the soap. Now, here's some things I wanted to point out to you. It's really good for doing that right there. And these are the highlights. It is this, and also it is this. We'll take a look at the back of the package and I'll tell you this. I love it because it is super concentrated. You get a lot out of this package right here. 2, it's based on science. 3, look at this. Nothing in here that's harsh or harmful, and it works on activewear. That's right. You know, all of those really nice dry fit shirts that just hold on to the stink of sweat and hard work? This gets it out. Now, not only can you use it as a boost to your laundry, you can also use it as a pre-soak. So if you have a stubborn stain that you're really concerned is gonna get stuck in the fabric, you can actually take a little bit of this and put it in your sink or in a basin of some sort and dissolve it in warm water and then put your soiled clothing into that and let it soak before you wash it. That way, there's an even better chance you're gonna get that stain out. I love that this works on not just the gentle, delicate stuff, but on all the heavy duty, totally hard-working clothing that we all have in our closet. Our jeans, our sweatpants, our sweatshirts, our favorite work t-shirts. This works on everything. And on top of it, working on all those things, even though it works on a wide variety of different fabrics, it's still really gentle. And I also love that you can get a lot of value and distance from one of these packages. This is like 64 loads that you can do with this package, which is going to last you a long time. Although at my house it doesn't last all that long because I've got 3 grown men and they do a lot of laundry. Yes, I taught them right, and I do a lot of laundry too. But all in all, this does last a long time. The other nice thing about this is you can use this with all those HE or high efficiency washing machines. You don't have to worry about it being like the wrong formulation to put in there. It works on standard washing machines and also the high efficiency ones as well. Now, like I said, I've been using this for a while, even before the company reached out and asked if I would do a review, and I love this stuff. It is efficient, it is hardworking, it's gentle on fabric, but tough on stains. It doesn't have a fragrance, which means it's not going to bother you if that's, you know, something that is a concern for you. And it works on all kinds of stuff. Blood, food, drinks, oily, greasy stains, sweat, armpit buildup of deodorant. The enzyme action in here, because it is Active Enzyme Laundry Booster, it works really well. And if you're looking for something to give it a try, this is definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.